My ladies and gentlemen of the United, but you might be wondering, we're playing last gen again, because I always play last gen, because I don't have next gen, but I'm getting it tomorrow. No. So, be prepared for the most intelligent thing of the whole entire universe of the entire thing. It's snowy, which means we have to have a little fun, you know? Fun. Maybe, just maybe, we could have... No, let's go to masks. See what new masks we have. Because we could have any masks. You never know. Okay, new masks. I can't believe all the sand is snow now. Is that even possible in real life? Sand is snow. Okay, cool. I know. Let's see what we have. Festive. No. Nope. No. Just no. But I'm gonna get to... We got firework launchers. Look at those. You can just point it at people. You know? You can just snowball fight. Oh, wait, he got out of his car because of firework launcher? Hey, dude. Ah! You're not going anywhere. He's trying to do snowball fight. I'm just trying to have a Merry Christmas. Hey, dude, where are you going? Oh, he completely, like... Let's sneak up on this guy. Oh! Oh! Boom! 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 Oh! Oh! No! 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 You guys don't know how to have fun. Come back here. It's just a snowball fight. It's not gonna hurt a bit. Why are you wearing no shirt, sir? It's snowing outside. It's cold. What is wrong with you? I need to put you out of your misery. What the heck? Where'd he go? Well, obviously, this is GTA 5 logic. Okay. I get no cops whatsoever for killing people in snowballs. Because cops get it. It's snowballs. What could possibly go wrong? They could have a heart attack? They could die? No. See, that guy's having fun. This guy's... I'm just throwing the snowball too hard, you know? They knocked them out, like really quick. What do you do? Okay. I need to go. Put the back out of the way. Is there anyone back here? This snow is too fun to play on. Okay, so we have to watch out for Santa. He could be coming anywhere soon. The update told me that there's supposed to be first present under the Christmas tree. I'm not sure what Christmas tree is exactly talking about. We're gonna check my house, my 3 houses, my 3 apartments, not houses, because houses are in next gen. I'm gonna check my 3 apartments right after I check the giant Christmas tree in Central Park, I think. No, that's not Central Park. Central Park in New York. Okay. I was supposed to be for GTA 4. No. Not GTA 5. Okay. You know what? Dang it! Oh. Okay. Thought I was gonna die there. I'm pretty sure with cars, it's like hard to drive in the snow, but for me it's a piece of cake because I'm on a motorcycle. Alright, so there's the giant Christmas tree. Let's check. Here it is. They check out for presents. I'm delivering present. Oh, this is not the Christmas tree I was looking for. Okay, never mind. We'll check. We'll check in our house. Let's go to the closest house, which is right here. Okay. Anybody want a snowball fight? No. So, Alright, we're gonna check inside our house. Christmas Santa Claus of the Gigantics. Sooner or later. So yeah, the PS3 they have snow. I'm not sure about Xbox and Xbox One or Xbox 360 though. The PS3 and the PS4 they sure do have snow. You don't have presents? Santa Claus! How dare you not deliver me presents for Christmas Eve? Wow. That was a disappointment, Santa Claus. I thought people could trust each other. So we have Santa Claus, Penguino, and Ginger Super. I'm gonna take this one. I used to like this one. Now I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new outfit. What outfit should it be? Simply the red pajamas. I'm gonna make a Christmas outfit. No. Thug Ginger. No. Okay, I guess we just have to go and go with the red jacket. Yeah. Oh, I need to take my armor off. Army armor. Don't show any. Okay. We're just gonna have to go with the black then. Oh, no. We're not gonna go with the black. There's a green one. That looks better now. VIP Ginger, I guess. VIP Ginger. I'm gonna go with VIP Ginger. Oh, Ginger, I love you, Ginger. Love you so much, buddy. So much.